All right, here I go. Bye. Howdy, cowboys and cowgirls. I'm Cowboy Jack, and today I'm so excited. We're at Houston Karting Complex. Do you know what that means? We're gonna ride go-karts and learn all about go-karts and track safety and all that kind of stuff. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. Come on, let's go. Come on. Look at this right here. Wow. So this is like just a display of a go-kart, but you can see it's got its number 1 on it right there. And this is the seat. There's no motor on this one and no wheels. How could you drive that? It's got no wheels. That wouldn't even work. So this is just a display. We're gonna take a closer look at what a real one is. Come over here. So here at Houston Karting Complex, you have to be 55 inches tall to ride. Am I tall enough? Yeah, I think I'm good. That's great. So even if you're not 55 inches tall, that doesn't mean that you don't get to have any fun. If you're 42 inches tall, you can be a passenger because they actually have double-seater cars here. That means somebody like a parent or an adult can drive on one side and you can ride on the other. It's a whole lot of fun. Do you guys see the track out here? It's a really big track and it's outside, so it's kind of bright out here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Look here. This shows you all of the different flags. So this here is a map of the actual track, and they've got laid out where all the curves are. So we're actually standing right here in pit lane, and we're gonna get on a cart and cruise all around this whole windy, wobbly track. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun, but we better learn the rules first. So there's all kinds of different flags that they'll use to signal you for what's going on the course. So the first flag, you'll have the black flag waved at you if you're acting kind of crazy out on the course. So if you see a black flag, you know you need to calm down and take it slow, okay? There's no bumping or hitting any other carts, and you don't want to be going too fast around the corners. You got to be really careful because these carts actually go really, really fast. And then the red flag, they'll wave it if there's an emergency situation. That means somebody's been hurt or there's a cart that's not running, and some of the staff need to get out there and help that cart. So they wave the red flag to let you know something's going on and it's time to slow down, okay? Yellow flag, that means that there's a track official on the track. So slow down and do not pass in these areas. They're just letting you know we're standing over here and we need you to be safe. And then the checkered flag, they'll wave the checkered flag when you've already been around the course a few times and it's time to come on back in because the race is almost done. So hopefully you're in first place. That's a lot of fun. So even more things that you need to know about the track here, always have a helmet secure. So we're gonna go and pick a helmet in just a second. That's gonna be a whole lot of fun. No open toe shoes or shoes with heels. So my boots are closed toed. You can't see my toes. I'm good and protected. No phones on the track, that's important. You guys shouldn't be talking on the phone when you're here anyways. You need to be focused on laughing and having fun with your friends. Correct seating position always. That means you sit your bottom down all the way in the seat and you're buckled in for safety. No bumping, we already talked about that one. Hold the steering wheel firmly with both hands. You know the steering wheel, how you drive like this? Keep 2 hands on it. Everybody will tell you 10 and 2. That's real important. So if I was holding a clock right now, I would be holding 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Do not get out of the go-kart for any reason on the track. So if you're racing around and something happens, you feel like you need to get out, no. You need to just stay put. Somebody will come and help you. Hey, no reckless driving. There's too many people and too many things that could go wrong. So you're trying to be safe. It's a whole lot of fun to drive really safely with both hands on the wheel and go as fast as you can. All right, here I go. Bye. Whoa! Wow, that was such a fast race. Whoa! Let me see if I can get my helmet off here. Woo! That was really, really fast. Whoa! That was a whole lot of fun. Let me unbuckle my seatbelt here. Remember, you always got to remember to be really safe. All right, let me get up. Wow, that was so much fun. Did you guys see how fast I was going? I was going really fast. Are you laughing at my hair? Okay, let me get my cowboy hat back. I'm gonna go put the helmet back up. That was so much fun. I was squealing around those corners so fast. All right, I'm gonna put the helmet back on the shelf. And I'm gonna grab my cowboy hat. Yeah, I feel better. These go-karts can be a whole lot of fun, but they also can be a little bit scary if you're not being safe. So that's why we're always safe. We buckle in, we wear our helmet, and just drive. You're here to have fun, but you don't wanna drive too crazy, right? But let's go check out one of the karts and we can actually look at all the different parts and pieces of it. Come on. So this here is number 25. And remember how I told you you have to keep two hands on the steering wheel? Come look at this. This is the steering wheel right here. So to put your hands at 10 and 2, you gotta put your hands just like this, okay? And then down there on the left side, you have the brake pedal right here and the gas pedal right here. So the gas pedal makes you go really, really, really fast. The brake pedal is important too, because on some of those turns, you've got to hit the brakes and kind of slow down a little bit. You guys want to look at this with me? What do you see there? Each cart has a number. Do you guys know what number that is? 2 and 5. That's 25. Wow, this is car number 25. That's so cool. All right, well, it's got a whole lot of different colors on it. Look, this is yellow, black, and orange. That's like a neon orange. It's really bright. And remember, you have to be safe. So here's the safety belt. And it would buckle on just like this. And you'd be sitting down in there. Just like that. It's real important to be safe. And this seat has a really big, nice headrest on it. That's in case you have to stop really fast. This will pad your head so you don't get hurt. Hey, come over here. Come look at this. Do you notice something strange? Whoa, no, there they are. This car has 4 wheels on it, but they're really small. So here's 1 tire, 2 tires, 3 tires, but you really got to work to see it. It's right under there. And then another one on that side. Hey, look at here, look here. This car actually has 1 exhaust pipe. Look, there's the exhaust right there. So that must mean we're close to the motor somewhere. Wait a second. Come over here with me. Look right here. Here's the motor right here. So it's all covered up, so you can't really see a whole lot. But this would be your pull start right here. These crank kind of like a lawnmower does. So you would pull this and start it, and there's a choke and a throttle too. But we don't need to learn all about that. We just need to know, pull it to make it run. And then you use those pedals and you can drive really fast and be really safe. All right guys, so like I talked about, you gotta be safe on this track. These curves are really tricky. So see, these guys are coming into the corners and they're taking them so smooth. They look like professionals, they're really good at it. Cowboy Jack wasn't that good at it. But with time and practice, you can get good at anything. Whoa, did you hear his wheels squeak? That was really neat. Wow, look at this track. If you look close, you can see all these tire marks. That's from everybody squealing on by. Here comes another squealer. Wow, this has been a whole lot of fun learning about go-karts and racing around the track. Did you like it? I did. Wow, these guys really know what they're doing. They're going so super fast. It gets kind of nerve-wracking out there. You get nervous when somebody's getting close to you. But if you ever get scared, what do? You just slow down and move over to the right so they can pass you on the left. Kind of like when a police up behind you with his lights on. You need to move over to the right so they can pass you on the left. Wow. All right, come on, guys. Let's go back over here. Hey, there you guys are. Hey, sorry, I just had to close my eyes for just a second. I'm worn out from all that driving. We've had such a good time today here at Houston Karting Complex. Boy, I got really hot out here. It's a pretty warm day, but you could come here if you live on the north side of Houston and you could have a really good time here in Conroe. We've learned a whole lot today. We learned about the safety rules of the track. We learned all the different parts of a go-kart, and then we even got to take a few laps on the track. And I know it kind of looks scary, but I had a great time, and I hope you had fun too. So if you liked it, go ahead and subscribe on YouTube to Cowboy Jack. And until next time, yeehaw!